In this guide, I will show you how to integrate your TrueLook camera into your DroneDeploy projects. First, log into your TrueLook account. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right and select Sharing Center from the drop-down menu. Any sharing links you've created will be found on this page. If you need to create a new sharing link, click on the Sharing Link button in the top right. Name your sharing link. Add any notes that you would like and select the camera you want to integrate into DroneDeploy. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. Your new sharing link will appear on the page. Follow the row of your sharing link to the right to reach the ellipsis icon. Click on the ellipsis icon to open the menu and click Copy Link. With that, we'll move on to DroneDeploy. Once you log into DroneDeploy, select the project you wish to integrate your camera into. After selecting the project, click Camera from the top panel. This brings you to a page with an open text box. Here, you can paste the link to your TrueLook camera. Paste the sharing link you copied earlier and click Connect. Your camera will appear automatically. It is now integrated with your project. If you need to change the camera, click the arrow to open the left panel. Paste a new link after copying a sharing link from your TrueLook account. A camera integrated with DroneDeploy has the same controls as the TrueLook platform. Enjoy seamlessly switching between drone imagery, 360-degree walkthroughs, overlay maps, and live cameras, all without leaving the DroneDeploy platform.